3D printing uses computer-aided design to create three-dimensional objects through a layering method. Sometimes referred to as additive manufacturing, 3D printing involves layering materials, like plastics, composites or biomaterials to create objects that range in shape, size, rigidity and color. 3D printers use CAD to create 3D objects from a variety of materials, like molten plastic or powders. 3D printers can come in a variety of shapes and sizes ranging from equipment that can fit on a desk to large construction models used in the making of 3D printed houses. There are three main types of 3D printers and each uses a slightly different method. Types of 3D printers are stereolithographic, or SLA printers, are equipped with a laser that forms liquid resin into plastic. Selective laser sintering, or SLS printers, have a laser that sinters particles of polymer powder into an already solid structure. Fused deposition modeling, or FDM printers, are the most common. These printers release thermoplastic filaments that are melted through a hot nozzle to form an object layer by layer. 3D printing is capable of making the manufacturing process of complex parts more streamlined thanks to software programming. This often means it is a more affordable option in some industries. 3D printing is ideal for quick prototyping of products because it can be done in-house in small runs. This allows manufacturers to work out bugs and make changes to products faster than a typical production process. Alterations to products can easily be made through CAD while the manufacturing cost stays the same. Despite plastics and metals being commonly used in the 3D printing industry, there are a host of other options to choose from. The advantage means specialty parts and products can be made with specific materials like water-absorbing plastic, nitinol, gold and carbon fiber. Specialty materials like this allow for properties such as high heat resistance, water repellency and strength. Disadvantages of 3D printing are that it may not provide enough strength, have accuracy issues or it may require post-processing. Some of 3D printing uses are construction, automotive, PPA, medical equipment, food, aerospace, education etc. Thanks for watching Techaks, all about tech. Please like and subscribe for more tech-related videos.